Had a chance to drive the 2023 GMC Yukon, or as I like to call it, the Yukon. Available trim levels are SLE, SLT, AT4, Denali, and Denali Ultimate. Don Armstrong had the four-wheel drive Denali Ultimate.
Of course.
This is a standard full-size body-on-frame SUV, seats up to 9. We sat 7 in ours because it had captain's chairs in the second row. Anyway, introduced in 2021, this particular model is all new for 2023. The Denali version has a unique chrome grille and headlights, big body-on-frame architecture, conservative styling, and that's kind of the DNA of the GMC. Power sidestep is standard on this particular trim package. That's always good. Super Cruise Drive Assist is a $2,200 option, and yes, we had that too.
Did you use it?
I did not. I've used it before. I just didn't have the opportunity to. What I liked about it, the Denali Ultimate gets an exclusive, beautiful set of wheels. Really nice ones. Chrome quad exhaust tips as well. Interior highlights include a beautiful dash with a built-in infotainment screen. I really like the built-in infotainment screen in the new GM products. Contrasting interior colors optional. Dual screens on the front seat headrests for the second row passengers. Do you have that? You got a vision of that?
Yep.
Great big screens right behind you back here. Really nice for the second row
to keep
passengers.
the kids from going, are we there yet?
Yeah, pretty much. Digital instrument cluster, modern and programmable. As far as room, well, plentiful with the second and third rows folded down. What I liked about it, that infotainment screen works great and it's easy to use. Push-pull buttons for the transmission. They move them up onto the dash, and man, they work great. Love those. Bose sound, it's the bomb. Oh, wait a minute. You can't say bomb on an airplane, can you? 6.2-liter gasoline V8 with 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. What do you think about that?
Sufficient.
Sufficient. Well, with the 10-speed automatic transmission, it's really
more than sufficient.
Yeah, it'll get up and go, even though the thing weighs almost 3 tons.
Wow.
Yeah. Tow rating up to 8,400 pounds, so you can take the family and the trailer out, go camping. Gasoline mileage, well, 14 city, 18 highway for a combined of 16. I got 17.9 over 378.7 miles. Most of mine, as you know, by listening to the show, is on the highway. What I liked, plenty of smooth, powerful V8 grunt, and it's quiet too. What could use improvement? I think that they need to think about having a hybrid option for better mileage, but that's just me. Ride and handling. What I liked about it, the air suspension, independent rear suspension. Man, that thing just is, it rides great.
Yeah, with the air suspension.
Yeah, and the biggest of all, the change that they made was putting an independent rear suspension on it. To me.
No, I would agree.
Pricing. Oh, I have one other note here. It says, you'd swear you were in a Kerrville Bus Lines coach headed for a family vacay. And you're going...
Summer vacay?
Kerrville Bus Lines.
Kerrville Bus Lines. I know what you're talking about.
Do you?
Yeah.
They got bought out by somebody. I don't know what they are
Greyhound.
now. Did they get bought out by Greyhound?
I have no idea. I just said that.
Anyway. Base trim price. Base trim price is $93,255. Prices tested was $97,745.
Oh, I figured it'd be over 100.
It's right there.
Yep.
Base model price, you can get into one, a stripper as we call it, for $57,400. Competitors, Ford Expedition starts at $52,905. Jeep Wagoneer starts at $58,995. The new Toyota Sequoia starts at $58,300. And I just for the fun of it, I stuck in the Cadillac Escalade, $79,295. And that's the review of the 2023 GMC Yukon.
And you liked it?
I did. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Where did Mark?